Uh, I want to ask you, virtually every party which is contesting the elections in Tamil Nadu is, talking about some part of history that they have claim to. The AIADMK is doing that, the TMK is doing that, the BJP president is in Tamil Nadu today on Pongal Day, celebrating Pongal with the people of Tamil Nadu. And of course, Mr. Rahul Gandhi as well, who says that, he hadn't seen Jallikat ever before and he is learning the culture of Tamil Nadu. What do you think about Mr. Rahul Gandhi's claims? Because Jallikat is something that has been very, very close to the heart of the Tamil people. And there have been a lot of protests when it was banned in 2011 by a Congress government when the UPA was in power. Nothing much happened at that time, and Congress leaders, their environment minister, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, at that point in time, also a Tamilian, at that point in time, said that this was a barbaric sport. And today, Mr. Rahul Gandhi says, no, it's very good, and all safety measures are in place. Do you think, this kind of claim to Tamil Nadu's culture is something that people appreciate?
Claiming to Tamil Nadu culture is better done by Tamilians themselves. They understand it, it's their culture, and when we claim, while Mr. RG has not even seen Jallikattu, I've played Jallikattu, literally. I've not been a spectator. I've hugged the bull and run. We don't even call it bull fighting. We call it the bull hugging, according to the Tamil. It's called Yeru Thalvudal, and it's been there for thousands of years. It's a cultural symbol for us. It doesn't matter which party impedes the pursuance of that culture. We will be demanding our right to our claim to get it back. And it doesn't matter whoever is the party, we will fight for it. And when we fight for our language, it doesn't mean that we fight against another one. I'm going a step further than your question. Our culture, our language, our identity cannot be negotiated.
So when you say that only a Tamilian can understand it, a person with origins in this state, in this region, yes, can appreciate it. Are you saying Rahul Gandhi is an outsider?
No, it's like a language. You'll have to learn it. And he's coming here to learn it. The culture is like a language. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi is definitely an outsider to Tamil. But once he is willing to come and learn, the Jains have come here down to south, and some of the greatest literature in Tamil is created by the Jains. Ancient, not so very ancient, about 2,000 years back. They were here. Some of the, what we proudly talk about as Tamil literature, some of it has been done by Jains, Jain Munis, who were here. So anybody is welcome.
But when Mr. Rahul Gandhi says, comes here for Jallikat, 2.5 months before election, and says he's learning and appreciating this culture, the BJP says we are the ones, who overturned the original UPA ban. We brought in an ordinance and then a law, and they claim that they understand the culture better. What would you say about this
I'd like to interject on behalf of the people. If anyone overturned the ban, it's the people.
So nobody can take credit.
They can say that we acknowledge the voice of the people, the anger of the people. They can take credit for it. But whoever overturned it, it's the people, because that upsurge was bigger than any political campaign that I've ever seen, because it all sort of coagulated together, all their anger against misgovernance, all that came up with this this was the final straw. They were insulted and they gathered, and it's one of the biggest modern day uprisings that we have seen.
So do you think anybody who lays claim to these kind of things, as if they did it, or even if they made
it's a claim, because even I can say
is it a political
I was part
gimmick?
of that voice, but we are only part of it. It's the people, the faceless people who actually made it happen. They were just blinking lights in Marina Beach. Suddenly it was aglow with cell phone lights, and it's like the stars that have come down. They did, and they were the stars.
So you think this political gimmick is not something that's going to take in people? I mean, the competition between the Congress and the BJP on this?
Optically, they'll appreciate it, they'll applaud it, because they're saying nice things about the Tamil culture. But I think they'll choose what they want for the betterment, what's best for them.
But the hypocrisy is understood by the people?
Oh, they're kind, very kind.
And do you think Rahul Gandhi was hypocritical?
No, they're kind. That's what I said.
You're being kind too?
I'm kind too. I'm very kind.
For the several pictures that you've clicked with him, you don't want to say any unkind words?
No, I have pictures with many people. I'm a people person. I have photographs with Dalai Lama. I have photographs with saints and sadhus.
Are you saying Rahul Gandhi is Dalai Lama now?
No. That's your that's your humor. I won't be part of that.